I'm gonna show you how I make almond milk, which is something we constantly have in our fridge. I'm obsessed with almond milk in my coffee, almond milk in my shake. It's all about almond milk. I soak 2 cups of almonds in cold water with a pinch of sea salt, and then I rinse them and then I start peeling. When you peel them, you can use all of the entire almonds so you don't waste anything and you get more almond milk. It's like so precious to me. It's like breast milk. If somebody loses this or drops this, then I'm like, no! I like to go heavy on the cinnamon, 1 date, kind of heavy on the vanilla. So these are the peels. And these are the almonds. Been soaking overnight. Super easy to remove. Pouring my almonds into my mix. So now I'm gonna blend the almonds in the cold water. So I'm trying to see how much will be smooth, completely smooth yet. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes. 7 minutes to be safe on high. Whoa, see how much you get? 1 date. Cinnamon. Deliciousness. It's also soothing for the stomach. Soothing, so. Okay, let's see, it's smooth. It smells so good. Thanks for watching, and I hope you try homemade almond milk. Thanks.